Hello everyone. Today I am going to start another batch on Java programming after a lot of demand. This batch will also be dedicated for standard 9 and 10 of ICSE curriculum. Mark my word, it is for the ICSE because my approach will be from programming to theory, because programming comes 60 marks, theory comes 40 mark, and definitely it is a mark fetching subject. If you learn the basics of program writing, you can easily fetch 50 to 60 mark, full marks even. So let us begin today's first program, that will be Hello World. Hello World program. How it is written, I will write the program and I will elaborate you how does it work and what are the different lines. Public class demo, public static void main string args system dot out dot println our text hello world HELL. Where is the eraser? Let us see. Remember always, this is the program, right? This is the class name. This is the main method. And this is the output statement. What are they? Remember, Java is an object-oriented program language. Object means object of what? Object of the class. Okay, object class has the object. Whatever we need, we must create an object. Object of what? Object of the class. So we always declare class in the beginning. Inside class, we can store three things. The variable, the method, and the constructor. What are these three things? We will discuss, don't worry. First you learn. As I told, inside the class has its own field embarked by this curly braces. Okay, opening curly brace, closing curly brace. This is the opening curly brace. This is the closing. Inside the class we wrote a method. As I told, class can contain three things: variable, method, and constructor. We stored a method, that is main method. Inside the main method we wrote our program, actual thing which we want the output hello world, and we wrote in this syntax output syntax. Okay, here we have completed the program. Now let us see. I have used a Virtual Studio, VS Studio, but I will use the BlueJ. Okay, it is the first class. To elaborate you something, I am using this. So let me create a new Java program. For that I have to create a new file name. Make our file demo.java. The Java file extension name is .java. Press enter. Now it is created. It also gave you the same class name. Generally what? All the time the file name is equal to the class name. By default it comes. So as per our syntax, I had written here public class demo curly brace, then public static void main string args. I will write, you learn this statement: public public space static static space void void space main main opening parenthesis. Inside that I will write string args uppercase s. We don't say capital small, we say uppercase means capital, lowercase means small. string string args args. Give the square bracket, enter, open the curly braces, enter. system system dot out dot println. So here we have just copied what we had written on the text there. We will write here HELLO hello WORLD world. After writing we will give semicolon at the end of the bracket. Then I will run Java. Run Java means I am telling to compile whether it is correct or not. It corrected, then I will run the code. You see, the moment I run the code, here is the output is hello world. Is there any error, any problem? No problem has been detected. Output is hello world. The moment I clicked on run code, you see a demo.class file is created. What is this to file? I will elaborate you now. So for now you are clear that a class name was there. Inside a class we wrote a main method. Inside main method we wrote our desired statement, which one we want as the output. Now I will explain you what is this demo. We created demo.java, but it created a demo.class. What is that? See, Java runs on JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. This thing is responsible for all the Java programs to run. Okay, any device having JVM can run the Java program. Got it? That is why Java program is a platform independent. It does not matter on which platform it runs. It only depends on whether JVM is there or not. Clear? So JVM always search for main method. Where is the main method? You see here we are written the main method. In the program also we can see it is the main method. The JVM always search for this. We wrote it. The JVM does not understand what you have written. The JVM understands only what is given to him or it by the in the form of bytecode. What is bytecode? Bytecode is nothing but the converted code of what we write. In simple language, what we write, computer does not understand this. Computer converts it to its own language, gives it to JVM, then JVM does its work. So it receives the bytecode. I will tell you. This bytecode conversion is done by compiler. Who gave the byte compiler? We wrote the code. That is called Java code. We wrote the Java code. The Java code went through compiler. Compiler is known as Java compiler, Java C. Okay, it is a translator program. It translates. It translated our code into bytecode. Acha. When I wrote the code, you remember I created a demo.java file in the red color here. So we write in the form of demo.java file. The compiler converted into .class file. I told you the moment I clicked on run code, it converted into .class. We will see another example. See, suppose I created demo2.java. Just a second. Suppose I created another file named demo2.java. The class name is created here. Here I will write public public static static void void main. Inside the parenthesis there is a semicircle, brackets are called parenthesis. system system, sorry, string 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 args args square bracket, enter, again parenthesis system system dot out dot println. Inside println I wrote I am Sandeep. After writing I gave a semicolon because this is the end of my statement. Here I will run Java whether it is correct or not. I am Sandeep, it is correct. Then I will run the code. You see, the moment I run the code, it created the demo2.class file. That means the program went through compiler, and after when I pressed run Java run code, the program went through compiler and converted into .class file, and then JVM understood, JVM processed it and gave us the output, desired output. Clear? This is how the program works. So now can I say that acha, in a Java development kit means JDK, it is a combination of JVM plus compiler, JAVAC, Java. Okay, another term is there that is called Java runtime environment, JRE. What is that? Sometimes we need some extra keyword, some library class. Those are content in JRE, Java runtime environment. This provides all the stored items. This is like a library for Java compiler. This is a simple program. We don't need any library, but there are certain things which we have to call when we use. We have to import from the library. We have to write the statement import dot dot dot. This such way we have to write. So the JDK also contains JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Clear? This is our first program. We will do many such programs. Through this we will learn the whole complete the whole syllabus of standard 9 and 10 eventually. This much for today. Keep subscribing and joining in the batch. Have a nice day. Thank you.